Welcome to my channel again. I'm Mira07 and you are watching. This is day 7 on MVim practice, the series where you learn Vim commands through NeoVim through a plugin that I just created. And we are at day 7. If I'm not mistaken, we were on the module 7 on day 7. That's pretty good. So we are going to learn about moving character by character, but going off the line, just so doing different navigation, not only just like, okay, let's go one word at the time or back one word. So the idea here is to use the F and T commands to navigate more wisely. So, using the F command, go to the first A. So we will just type FA. That just put us under the character. So we can use change, let's say D, change character, change line. My God. This is find A, replace, replace with a E. You say wizards. So that's the first exercise. And this is pretty useful. Really useful when you want to navigate that. So minus T. Minus T, jump just before the letter that you are looking for. So that's pretty good. Let's say we want just to write text before the beginning of the next word, so that will be useful. So we use T and we press F. We will get onto the previous characters of the white space. So here we can just do insert and do a space like my. And again we can do 0 and let's do T like in the first G. We'll get in the I, so we can replace by a no. So pretty useful. Learn him next. 7.1.3 F and to print the first I and then use semicolon to jump to the next I. Oh, that's pretty good. So let's say you want to first to target the second occurrence of the same character. So we'll use Fi and we need to go to the next coincidence. So we use semicolon for the next one, semicolon for the next one, semicolon, and for the next one, semicolon. So it's very useful like when you need to change some characters. Let's go backwards. And we can go previously using the same F but with the majus. And we can do semicolon and semicolon. So let's say that we replace the first thing for O. Press escape and if we press of course we have to press F I semicolon. Let's say we will replace this one with an O. If we do semicolon again, we will jump to the next one. It's pretty useful to replace some occurrences of specific words. Cannot imagine right now a case where this could be useful, but sure, when we are doing exercises on code, we could find some useful things. So, and here we have the idea that we wanted to do. Let's say we do F and then I and semicolon and semicolon and semicolon again. But what happens if, oh, that's not semicolon. I don't know how to say it in English. That symbol. Well, and let's say we want to go back. As you saw, I will do F and I and it will repeat that. But we can do the reverse operation using the comments, the thing that they are asking. So we can just jump backwards, jump forward, backwards, forward. So it's the same that rather than using that. So let's say we want to find the next L. We want to just go back for pretty step. Next. So right now we are going to jump into the regular expression search. If you don't know what regular expression is, I could do a video on that. If you are interested, leave me a comment down below, and I will be more than happy to do that. But let's go. So we can search for pattern with or without a regular expression. So what we do is slash pattern, enter, and we will go forward. And with question mark, we will go backwards. So let's do jumps, and it will highlight the regular expression. And we press enter to go to the first to leave it highlighted. If we press semicolon and press escape, we can keep the highlighted, because that was the last pattern that we just marked. Let's say that we want to highlight the D. There is only one. And let's say that we want to highlight the using statements. Pretty useful. Or let's say that we want to the over word. It's just over. But you say the serve with backward or forward. What that means, if I have the question mark here, and I just say the same thing, jumps, and I press enter, it will highlight the one that I need. And I need to put another one to do that, another pattern. So let's go a little, go up and this, then the next is so pretty good. And you can do the same thing like with comma and semicolon, semicolon. I don't remember how this is pronounced. I will learn that for the next. To repeat the search. So if I do N, I could navigate on the pattern. So that's what I was trying to do. If I do jumps, I do enter, and I press N, I will go backwards, and I will press minus N, I will go back on the thing. So pretty good. That's a thing that I didn't know. I could imagine a lot of things where this could be useful. If you haven't highlight activated on Vim and you aren't using the plugin, you could not see this. If not, tell me in the comments down below. But it's very easy to set up highlighting just for the sake of the video and for the sake of the practice. So let's go back using quick. And if we press enter and N, it will jump backward and forward. But if I'm there and I want to search forward, so I let's type whatever it is, and we want to type S and enter. So, and if we do a forward search for quick, the first coincidence will be this one, and I will press N to go to the back to the next one, and press minus N to go back. Really good. Here, next. And this is an exercise. So search forward for the word line, then use N to find the next line. That's pretty good. Line. The first line is here, and I could use N to get to the next line. and the next, the next, the next, the next. That's some pretty different navigation. Okay. Next. And we are going to change navigation. So I will leave it here for this video. I think that we have enough for this. Is a good thing to practice this. Maybe get a bunch of code and try to like, if you are using HTML, you can search for all the coincidences on matches on meta, I mean, or use to find the VR, the jump line, and the jump line end. That could be a good practice for you. That should be all for this video. So I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.